Hi, I'm Claire and I'm part of the sales team here at Don Amott Leisure Kingdom. I'm going to take you around the latest new Elddis motorhome we've got that's come into stock. So it's the Elddis Accordo, it's a 135, you can travel with 4 but sleep 3. So it's based on the Peugeot. It's a 140 brake horsepower. As we go around the side here, you can see that we've had it spec'd with the alloy wheels, bless me. As we look to the base of the motorhome, we can see the blue lever is to release the fresh water that's in the water tank, and the grey one is to release the grey dirty water in your waste tank. This here is the flue for the whale heating system. In here is where we fill the water up, and in here is where the toilet cassette is stored. So as you can see, it is in there, it pulls out, it's on wheels, it's got a handle so you can be a bit of a trolley dolly when you take it to be emptied. As we go down to the back of the vehicle, we can see we've got this amazing door which opens up when you unlock it. And I don't think we've got a key that's going to unlock it, so your salesperson upon arrival will show you the amazing storage space. So it goes straight in, so anything that you wanted to load in, paddle boards, golf clubs, open the back door and you've got access straight inside. We'll look at it from the other angle. Apologies that we haven't got the key on the key ring. As you look up there, you'll see that it's got a reversing camera fitted, and these here are mounts for your bike rack should you wish to invest in one. As we go to the side of the vehicle, if you look up, you can see that it's got a canopy fitted. It's got a cupboard here where the battery goes, and here is where you can have 2 6kg bottles of gas. Fuel fill point, and you can see it is diesel with AdBlue, so you've got a clean running engine. So as we go to take a look inside, on entrance the door has a bin, and it also has a fly screen. It's a low chassis, so you don't really need a step to get in. And throughout, she's got removable carpets. To the front, you can see everything that you'd expect. USB, 12-volt battery charger, aircon, a head unit that you can connect your phone, either Apple CarPlay or your Google Maps. We've got the screen above for the reverse camera. We've got the cruise control, phone answering, volume up and down, and all those bits that we can't be without. On the passenger seat here, you can see there's a memory foam mattress. This is a memory foam mattress infill that is obviously what we use when we make the bed at the front. Both of these seats swivel around, so when not in transit, you can turn them around and have a really sociable lounge. This area here is got Isofix for the child seats should you need them, and it's also got seat belts, so you can belt 2 passengers facing forward to travel comfortably. Above, we've got plenty of storage here, and as we can turn around, you can see storage of plates and cups, and again a big storage void. It's got 3 gas rings, and it's nice, easy and keep to clean. No marks will show on there or spills. Grill and your separate oven with pan storage below, which is vital. Inside there as well, you've got gas isolation taps. Here we've got a good sized sink with a glass lid, drawers here, and also a storage cupboard. It's not the deepest of storage cupboards because it's the back of the gas locker, but again there's still plenty of space in there, which is a huge bonus. As you come down here, this is a door that obviously I failed to open. Blame the salesperson. And here is 2 really comfortable sofas which also turn into a lovely double bed. We've got a cute little fridge there. The fridge is a 12-volt fridge, so it's a posh cool box really, but when we're plugged into the mains it will override. You've got 2 main sockets around here and also a battery socket and a TV aerial. Comes complete with TV bracket, and again we've got lots of storage above. So as we can see, loads of cupboard space. Somewhere for your jumpers, your t-shirts, Each window in the motorhome, I'll do that. Each window's got a fly screen and a blind, so you're going to be midge free. And we've even got, although it be small, you've still got some hanging space in here. So you've got your TV aerial, the regulator for the aerial, and we can spin around and we will take a look inside the wet room washroom. So there's the toilet with the flush on the top. To the left hand side of the little blue button, there's a little light shaped in a toilet cassette. When that comes on, it needs emptying. You don't get another mile. You've got a vanity cupboard, a good sized sink as well that's deep. A lot of motorhomes do have that as a bit of a compromise. And then your shower as well, being the Eco Camel shower, intaking air and using less water. So if I was you, I'd be taking the opportunity of coming to Don Amott Leisure Kingdom to meet me, of course, Claire and Wendy, to come and take a closer look around our Elddis Accordo 135. It will be lovely to see you on site, and I'm sure you'll enjoy having a good look around this.